Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated September 14, 2022. NIFTY opened on a negative note today as U.S. markets fell today because of lower than expected inflation data. Following it, Indian market NIFTY opened below 17,800 but afterwards it jumped instantly and reached 18,000. At the time of closing, NIFTY closed at 18,003 and SENSEX was down 224 points with a change of 0.37% at 60,346.97 points. Markets saw heavy buying right from the opening. All banking stocks were positive. 3 stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are INOX Bank, NTPC, and SBI. Out of these, 2 are from banking sector. These 3 stocks rose between 2.56% to 4.23% today. On the other hand, we will talk about those 3 stocks which ended as top losers. They are Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, and Tech Mahindra. All 3 are IT sector stocks. Its stocks were affected the most today. They fell within the range of 3.09% to 4.53%. Talking about the recent developments in the corporate segment, we have the Competition Commission of India on September 13 rejected a complaint against the proposed merger of multiplex chains PVR and INOX Leisure. Rejecting the merger, the CCI said that apprehension of likelihood of anti-competitive practices by an entity cannot be a subject of probe. Tata Power Solar Systems Limited has received a letter of award worth 596 rupees crore from NHDC to set up a 125 megawatt power floating solar project in Madhya Pradesh. NHDC is a joint venture of state-owned hydropower giant NHPC and the Madhya Pradesh government, a statement by Tata Power Company Ltd said on Wednesday. ABRDN, formerly Standard Life, on Tuesday sold 2% stake in private sector insurer HDFC Life Insurance Company. The UK-based firm sold a total of 43 million shares at 574 rupees apiece to mop up 2,469 rupees crore. ADANI Transmission Limited on Tuesday said it has incorporated a wholly owned subsidiary, ADANI Electricity Jhabhar Limited, to carry on business of transmission, distribution and supply of power and other related infrastructure services. Company has incorporated its wholly owned subsidiary in the name of ADANI Electricity Jhabhar Limited on September 12, 2022 with an initial authorized and paid-up capital of Rs 100,000 each to, inter alia, carry on the business of transmission, distribution and supply of power and other infrastructure services relating thereto. Tata Sons, holding company of the Tata Group, is investing 975 rupees crore in Pune IT City Metro Rail, a special purpose vehicle that has won the contract to construct, operate, and maintain the project connecting Shivaji Nagar and Hinjawadi in the city. The Tatas own a 74% stake in the SPV. The rest is owned by Siemens Project Ventures. The Rs 7,420 crore, 23 kilometers project is being financed through debt to equity of 1.8 times and the entire debt has been tied up, and the envisaged equity commitment is supported by Tata Sons. ICICI Bank Limited is up for a 5th straight session in a row. The stock is quoting at 918.8 rupees, up 0.97% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. ICICI Bank Limited has added around 4.5% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 71.88 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 105.36 lakh shares in last 1 month. State Bank of India gained for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 573.95 rupees, up 2.86% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. State Bank of India has risen around 9.13% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 129.73 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 117.25 lakh shares in last 1 month. ITC Limited rose for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 337.35 rupees, up 0.88% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. ITC Limited has gained around 8.63% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 70.43 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 114.47 lakh shares in last 1 month. Vedanta Limited is up for a 5th straight session today. The stock is quoting at 295 rupees, up 6.29% around 1 p.m. on the NSE. Vedanta Limited has gained around 12.38% in last 1 month. The volume in the stock stood at 255.49 lakh shares today, compared to the daily average of 89.51 lakh shares in last 1 month.